What's up guys, Wolfy here, and I'm back with another custom crafting video. Yeah, that's right. I thought I made a lot of changes, so I will make another video about it to show you how it works. First, you go on my Spigot page. Here you can see some stuff. I have to update this. This video you're currently watching will be this one here, right here. So yeah, this is the page. You have to have Java 8 installed, Java 8 or better, and then you can go here on download now, and it will take you to this page. This is outdated. Everything here is outdated. Scroll down, and here you can see two versions. The version you want is this one right here, and you just download it. Take a few seconds, and here we go. And it's done. So what you want to do next is you take your jar and you have to go into your test server. I use a paper server, and go into the plugins folder and just put the jar inside there. And you can close this. You don't need this. And then you can go back and start your server. See, it's working. This is kind of crazy. I forgot to remove a debug message, but this is not important. What you should see is this line and this line. And yeah, this is everything. Many people don't even look into the console, but this is not an error. This is just debug message that I forgot to remove. Well, you can see it's all working fine. For me, it's here on my local host, so I can go on my local host. So here we are in the game, and this is the crafting table, and here are the recipes. And you will recognize a new recipe right here on the second page. Maybe for you it's on another page. For some of you maybe it's not even there. So what you have to do, get yourself the items you set, or you can first try the default recipe. You can go in, where's redstone there, and then you can just place it right like this, and then you have the advanced workbench, and you can place it down. Nice particle effects. If you break it, it will drop. This is another bug. I don't know how to fix it, but yeah, they cannot stack. But if you're in survival, this doesn't matter. Yeah. So now, how to create recipes. First of all, you can type /cc, and it will tell you some things. For example, help. Will show you the help menu. /cc, and then studio. This will open up this menu right here. The help button is not doing anything for now, not yet. But here you have some options. You can delete a recipe, edit a recipe, and create a recipe. In this video, we will look at creating recipes. Here you can see the 3x3 crafting grid. Here you can put in your recipe shape and your items. And if you want a shapeless recipe, just click on this icon here and it will just flicker a bit, but yeah, that's not a problem. And now you have a shapeless recipe. I will take some items, for example. What I really like is like these and these. So to make these craftable. They are, I think, not craftable, right? Yeah. So you can go in here and I want not shapeless. I want a shaped recipe. For example, I want something like this right here, and this will give me 2 of these. I could do it right like this, but the problem is everyone can only craft like this. If they place it like this, it will not work. So what you can do is go here on grid settings and set this height to 2, for example, and the width also on 2. And then you have a 2x2 crafting recipe. And 2 smooth stone, and we want a advanced workbench. So it's only craftable in the advanced workbench we have right there. Or if we toggle this off, it's also craftable in the normal workbench. I will toggle it off. And also the player will not need any permission for this recipe. Then I go on save. Now I have to type on the recipe ID. This is how the plugin will recognize your recipe and also where it's saved. I can type, for example, vanilla plus, and this column is very important. If you don't have this column, it will not work. It will tell you invalid recipe ID. So vanilla plus will be the folder in which the recipe will be saved. So also you can save different recipes in one folder, of course. So now you can type in the name, for example, smooth stone, and enter. And now it will take a minute. As you can see here, the particles disappeared. It will load the items back in. So now it's saved, and if you go in here, you will not see it. The recipe is not there yet, but it's already in the system, but not here. Even if I craft this, it will not appear here. What you have to do is disconnect and join again. That's because the server will send the recipes on join. So the recipe book you have, this one is client-sided. That means if you join the server will send your client or will send you packets with all the recipes the server has. So yeah, and now it's here and we can craft it. So that's it. And in the next video I will talk about how to configure the ingredients even more and the result item. That's what I have for you today. So just a small introduction into my plugin. And as I said, in the next update, I will go even further into detail and explain the advanced options. This one. So stay tuned and bye.